Okay, now we're working on part 3, which is going to combine the work you've created in your spreadsheet model with the Word document. So we need to create a new worksheet from the original data and only showing small kites, size less than 3, that are suitable for beginners. So let's get the spreadsheet model open. So I'm just going to get the original information and we're going to duplicate that sheet. Create a copy, and I'm going to rename this small kites. So I need to put a filter on this information. And checking what I want, small kites, size less than 3. So I want a number filter, less than 3. So I show only the ones that the size is less than 3 and suitable for beginners. So let's get rid of experienced and intermediate. So I've now only got these 5 options. I only want to show make, model, size and price. So I'm going to hide the rest of these. And sort the kites into ascending order of price. So I've now got this information and I'm going to import it into my Excel document. So a few ways I could do this: copy it and paste it in. So what I now need to do is go and find where I actually want to insert this. So we want to find, here are some small kites. So I'm going to go back into the other document, kite surfing. So here are some small kites suitable. So I'm going to paste that table in, but we haven't got all the formatting we want. So I'm just going to highlight that first row, or actually just even the first cell, use the format painter, run that across the top, get one of the other layers, and run the format painter across that, so that we've got the same settings. We haven't got the borders yet, so I'm just going to click on the little plus, highlight the whole table, go to Design, turn our order, and then choose All Borders. Still need to modify that first row, so doing the shading. And so that has got all of those settings being exactly the same. Nice, easy way to set up our table. You might want to stretch your columns out so that they fit and make it look a little bit nicer, but we've got the key information. Make sure everything is visible. Now, we've got another piece of information from a different file. We want to use the N10 trips RTF. I'm just going to open that file up. So I've got another table here. So I'm just going to copy this information, and that is going to be pasted into my other document. I need to find where that is going to go. So here are some details. No, not here are some. Here are details of planned trips. I'm going to paste that information in there. Now, by default, it's not come through how we wanted it to. So I'm going to insert table, but I'm going to use the little drop down triangle, and I want to convert text to table this time. Separate text tabs, that looks correct. Yep, so it's all nicely lined up. But what I also need to do is change the formatting. So I'm going to click on Format Painter, highlight it so it's got all those settings, and once again format this table in exactly the same way as the others. Okay, we need a bit more space there. That heading needs to be bold. It also needs a background shape header shading. Oh, but I need it across all of them. And then we need to add the borders. Okay, we can see that row there has gone onto an extra column, so we're just going to modify that. Once we've done this, we just need to go through and do some basic checking to make sure everything looks correct for your document. Then you're done and you need to email this away.